framerr tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type in framerr.com. On the homepage, click Login at the top right corner of the screen. Then, click Login with email. Enter your email address and click Continue. To start a new project, click the New Project button located at the top right of the screen. On the left side of the workspace, you will see the Pages section, Layers section, and your Local Assets section. At the top left, there is an Insert tool used to add or import external components. In the Layout section, you can create frames, rows, columns, and grids. You'll also find the Text tool to add text to your pages, and the Shape tool to create shapes. In the Shape tool, hover to reveal various shape options. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the Move tool for moving elements, the Hand tool for navigating the canvas, and the Comment tool for leaving feedback. You can also switch themes using the Theme tool. Lastly, use the Plugin tool to search and access any framerr plugin.